Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mobile Marketing with Lina, your 5-minute fix for smarter app growth. And today we are talking about a really hot and important topic, in my opinion, one of the most underrated areas of App Store optimization and app marketing in general: reviews and reply strategy. And how a smart response, a smart approach to these can boost retention, SEO, and conversion, while careless or missing replies just quietly damage trust and growth of your app. Because yes, the way you reply to reviews can literally impact your installs, ratings, and eventual revenue. So let's just break it down. Why reviews matter more than you think, probably. Before users download your app, most of them check out two things. First one, your star rating, and the second one, reviews. And let's be honest, also your App Store listing too, but that's a separate topic. But anyways, industry data shows that nearly 80% of users read reviews before installing, and this in turn means that improving your rating from around 3 stars to say 4 and 4.5 stars can increase conversion by up to 90%. That's massive. So reviews are not just something that you can put aside, that's not feedback for later. They are basically part of your acquisition funnel. They directly influence whether users tap install, tap get your app, or just scroll away and pick one of your competitors, who knows. So now here's where it gets really interesting. Apps that actively reply to reviews tend to improve their average rating over time. Studies show an average uplift of around 0.7 stars after teams start responding to their App Store listing reviews consistently. Why? Because users feel heard, they update their ratings, they stay loyal. Also, I should say that while Apple doesn't directly rank apps based on replies to user reviews, engagement around reviews indirectly improves sentiment, review velocity, and user perception, all of which eventually support your SEO App Store optimization strategy. On Google Play, it's even stronger, because on Google Play, keywords in reviews are indexed. They are indexed by Google, by Google Play. So that means that good feedback can actually improve your app discoverability, which is huge, which is everyone is aiming for, right? So see your replies to user reviews like something that supports your visibility on an app store, not in addition to, which is already big, in addition to your reputation and user trust. But now let's talk about downside. What happens if and when you ignore user reviews, which I completely not recommend you do. When reviews are ignored, very generic, which feels just instantly or even rude, users, believe me, they notice that. And the consequences are pretty bad. Lower trust, lower conversion, and higher churn. And some studies and research suggest that responding thoughtfully, respectively to negative feedback, especially to negative feedback, increases the chances of users improving their rating by more than 30%. So silence is not neutral in such cases, it really hurts your mobile growth. Let's quickly discuss now what good review replies look like, what actually works. Strong replies have 4 things, which I will now share with you. First, personalization. Use the user's name when possible and reference their issue directly. You don't want it to be just generic. Second, accountability. Acknowledge the problem and don't deflect. 3. The third point is action. Explain what you are doing and where users can get help if they need it at the moment. And 4th, follow up. Invite them back after a fix and share what you have actually updated or changed or fixed. And some examples of bad and good replies. Bad reply. Thanks for the feedback. Please contact support. I think no need to explain why it's bad. And an example of good reply: hi Ben, sorry about the login issue. Our team fixed this in version 2.4. Please update and let us know if it works. We'd love to earn back your 5 stars. I think that this sounds personal. This mentions the direct action and everything we just discussed about, and it fixes the problem. So your reviews are also free market research. Have you ever thought about that from this angle? Because your reviews, they show you which features users love, which bugs kill your attention and like arouse some negative feelings, which competitors users compare you to, which is often like can be met, and which keywords users naturally use when describing your app. And this is like this is basically gold. And smart teams, they like mine these insights and feed them into their product roadmaps, SEO keyword research, creative messaging, and paywall optimization. So reviews are not noise, they are powerful data. So here's the bottom line. Reviews are part of your growth engine, and that's it. Just kidding. If you manage them well, they boost your ratings, your conversion, retention, eventually revenue, and everything down the funnel, and of course brand trust and user loyalty. And if you ignore user reviews, they quietly destroy your app, destroy everything I just mentioned. So reply fast, reply personally, and reply strategically. If this helped you, please hit like and subscribe for your 5-minute mobile growth breakdowns. And please tell me in the comments, do you actively manage reviews already, or this is something you're just planning to improve? And see you in the next one. Bye!